Most people walk into the gym with good intentions but bad choices. Not every exercise builds muscle. Some of them break your body. And the scariest part? The damage doesn't show up until it's too late. So before you injure your back, wreck your knees, or end up on an operating table with a 5-figure medical bill, you need to hear this. Let's talk about training smarter, not harder. Have you ever heard of the 80-20 rule? It means that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. In training, that translates to this: only a handful of exercises actually matter. The rest, they're not just inefficient, they're often dangerous. Every day, your body has a limited recovery budget. If you spend it on the wrong movements, your body has to compensate, and it does that by pulling resources from places you can't afford to lose. This can cause inflammation, chronic pain, or even send you straight to surgery, and all because you didn't realize a certain lift was doing more harm than good. So let's fix that. Starting with one of the most misunderstood exercises ever. Exercise 1. Trap bar deadlift. The trap bar deadlift is a safer and more joint-friendly version of the traditional barbell deadlift. With the trap bar, you stand inside the frame and grip the handles at your sides, which helps you maintain a more upright posture and reduces stress on your lower back. It naturally forces you to engage your legs instead of pulling from your spine. This makes it a perfect compound lift that delivers strength and size without compromising your safety. For most lifters, this version allows you to train harder, more often, and with far less risk of injury. Exercise 2. Goblet squat. The goblet squat is a powerful alternative to barbell back squats, especially for those who struggle with hip mobility or spinal alignment. Holding a single dumbbell at chest level helps automatically correct your posture, encouraging a straight spine, deep squat depth, and a tight core. This movement is excellent for building your quads, glutes, and core without placing a barbell on your back. Plus, it's nearly impossible to perform this incorrectly, making it beginner-friendly and joint-safe. Try slowing each rep and pausing at the bottom to increase intensity. Exercise 3. Landmine press. The landmine press is a shoulder-friendly variation of the traditional overhead press. Instead of pressing straight up, you push the weight at a diagonal angle up and forward, which aligns better with the natural path of your shoulder joint. This significantly reduces the risk of impingement or rotator cuff irritation. It's also a unilateral exercise, meaning it works one side at a time, which boosts core stability and balance. Whether you're standing, kneeling, or in a split stance, this move gives you strong shoulders without the wear and tear. Exercise 4. Dumbbell pullover. The dumbbell pullover is one of the most overlooked yet effective exercises for upper body mobility and posture. By lying on a bench and slowly lowering the dumbbell back behind your head, you stretch both the chest and the lats in one smooth motion. This not only helps open up your rib cage for better breathing, but also improves shoulder flexibility, making your pressing movements safer and more effective. It's not about lifting heavy. Go slow, focus on the stretch, and feel your upper body unlock. Exercise 5. Farmer's carry. Farmer's walk. The farmer's carry is perhaps the most functional strength exercise you can do. All you need is 2 heavy dumbbells, pick them up and walk. That's it. It challenges your grip strength, core stability, posture, and mental toughness all at once. As a bonus, it improves gait mechanics, helping you walk more efficiently and reducing the risk of random injuries like rolled ankles or knee tweaks. Aim for 30-second carries and focus on staying tall, stable, and controlled. Just a few sets a week can dramatically increase your overall strength and confidence. In the end, lifting weights is about more than just building muscle. It's about protecting your body, training for real life, and doing it in a way that you can sustain for decades, not just for Instagram. Ditch the high-risk influencer-inspired routines. Choose movements that match your body's natural mechanics. Build strength safely. Help you feel better, not just look better. Thanks for watching.